Today our topic is the associative property of rational numbers. In the previous classes we have studied that addition is associative for whole numbers. Addition is associative for integers. So in this chapter we have to prove that addition is associative for rational numbers also. That is, a plus b plus c is equal to a plus b plus c. We have studied that subtraction is not associative for whole numbers. Subtraction is not associative for integers. Similarly, in this chapter, we have to prove that subtraction is not associative for rational numbers. That is, a minus b minus c is not equal to a minus b minus c. Multiplication is associative for whole numbers. Multiplication is associative for integers. In the same way, multiplication is also associative for rational numbers. That is, a into b into c equal a into b into c. Division is not associative for whole numbers. Division is not associative for integers. So, the division is not associative for rational numbers. A divided by b divided by c is not equal to a divided by b divided by c. Suppose we have three rational numbers a, b, c, and the value of a, b, and c are a equal 1 by 2, b equal 1 by 3, and c equal 2 upon 5. Let's check it for addition is associative for rational numbers. So taking left hand side, we have a plus b plus c. Left hand side. Putting the value of a, b and c, we get 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3 plus 2 upon 5. Taking LCM of 3 and 5, we get 15. 3 5 is 15, 5 1 is 5. 5 3 is 15 and 3 is multiplied with 2, so 3 2 is 6. 1 upon 2 plus 11 upon 15. Now taking LCM of 15 and 2, we get 30. 30 is divided by 2. We get 15, so 15 1 is 15 plus 15 2 is 30, so 2 is multiplied with 11, we get 22. On adding 22 and 15, we get 37 upon 30. Now, right hand side, it will be a plus b and plus c. So putting the value of a, b and c, we get 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 3 and plus 2 upon 5. Taking LCM of 2 and 3, we get 2 3 is 6. 3 plus 2 and plus 2 upon 5. It is 5 upon 6 and plus 2 upon 5. Taking LCM of 6 and 5, we get 30. 6 5 is 30. 5 5 is 25 and plus 5 6 is 30, so 6 2 is 12. So we get 37 upon 30. The value of left hand side and the value of right hand side both are equal. So we can say that addition is associative for rational numbers, that is a plus b plus c equal a plus b plus c. You can also check it for subtraction. Now take the multiplication is associative for rational numbers. So on taking left hand side, it is a into b into c. On putting the value of a and b and c. On multiplying 1 upon 3 and 2 upon 5, we get 2 1 is 2 and 3 5 is 15. So 2 upon 15. On multiplying 2 by 1, we get 2, and in the denominator we get 15 2 is 30. Now taking right hand side, it can also be written as 1 upon 15. Right hand side, it is a into b into c. Putting the value of a and b and c, we get 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 3 into 1 upon c, so it is 2 upon 5. Product of 1 upon 2 and 1 upon 3, it is 1 upon 6 into 2 upon 5. It is 2 1 is 2 and 6 5 30. It can also be written as 1 upon 15. So the value of right hand side and the value of left hand side is equal, as we can say that multiplication is associative for rational numbers, that is a into b into c equal a into b into c. You can also prove it for division, that division is not associative for rational numbers.